Hey there guys, we're back. Sorry about that, I don't really know what was going on. Anyway, I've got one more mode to show you on my mining laser, which is explosive. Which pretty much does exactly as it says on the tin. You point, fire, it goes boom. It's as simple as that. So that's the cool mining laser, which speeds up obviously mining of stuff. So next thing I'm going to show you is this, which is the Gem of Eternal Destiny. Now what this does, if while you have it equipped and on, you turn it on by using the G key. Basically what it does is it collects all your items and it will convert them into cool stuff. So rather than carrying, it's quite a handy tool, because rather than carrying like cobble and dirt and gravel, things like that, what it'll do, it'll keep one full stack, and then it will convert the rest into cool stuff. So I think for a start it will convert it into iron, and then once it's full, it's got iron, it will then move on to the next thing, which is gold, and then I think after gold is diamond, then eventually the last thing you can get to is red matter. I'm not sure if there's anything between diamond and red matter, so please let me know. So basically it just swallows everything up, basically, the EMC value of everything. See, it's all gone, but the minute you turn it off, it basically spews out all the items. So if I turn it off now, you'll see that it's actually given me back 2.5 stacks of cobble. So obviously it returns everything as cobblestone. Turn it back on again, then it's as you see, it's taking up the EMC again. You have to have it in your hotbar for it to work, however. Even if you turn it on and put it back in your inventory, it will not work. So keep that in mind, guys. So we can, next thing I want to show you is my destruction catalyst, which is the pretty cool toy. It's like the mining laser but better. This does not take electric power. This will use your Klein star power. If you haven't got a Klein star, I think the most effective way to use a destruction catalyst is to use glowstone dust. That's what I was doing before I built my Klein star. So basically this will take out, it's a easy way to create tunnels, basically. It'll take out it's like a 3 by 3 that way, and then I'm not sure, depending on your charge, it will take out countless blocks forwards. So I always have mine at full charge. I'm just going to have a stake here, just because it takes out the most amount of stuff. So I've got that ready. I've got my Gem of Eternal Destiny turned on, so I don't collect a load of crap. So let's do some mining with the destruction catalyst. Just like that. It's that easy. Now, rather than spewing out items with the destruction catalyst, you actually get these little black balls of like black matter, which it's cool because this is a collection of all the items that were just blown away by the destruction catalyst. So in effect, you just basically walk over it and you pick everything up. So if I turn my Gem of Eternal Destiny off for now, we'll see what we pick up from the this destruction catalyst. So let's just do a blast in this direction. So we have just picked up. Did I pick the ball up? I think I did. Let's do another one. Just do a shot. So there's the ball. We'll pick the ball up, and as you see, we've got number of cobble, dirt, etc., etc. Probably shouldn't stand there, to be honest, because it's in the darkness and mobs spawn in the dark. So when we turn the gem on again, as I said before, they'll start eating away at all our stuff. So that's pretty cool. So you can effectively go underground, go mining and effectively stay mining for ages without actually having to come up, because you know, if you've got the Gem of Eternal Destiny and the Destruction Catalyst, you effectively just do this, all your crap gets converted into useful stuff, and your inventory doesn't waste any space. So yeah, that is the that's the Destruction Catalyst, guys. What's even nicer is once you get the if you decide to make one of these swiftness things, you just basically hover around, take out these chunks. You know what, I don't know if any of you guys have seen my just plain old Minecraft server playthrough, but tell you what, mining this way and getting rid of all the stuff like this sure beats the way I had to do it in I took out my massive float and turned my house into the floating island on my Minecraft server. If you haven't seen it, go and check out the video. 6 videos up there, I think, at the minute. Whether or not I'm going to carry on that series or not, I don't know, because to be honest, I play Tekkit now, and there's far more stuff you can do with Tekkit. It's a lot easier to gather your resources. You know, it's fun trying. I find it fun trying to automate everything. Not that I'm lazy and I don't want to do it, of course, because let's face it, the game's called Minecraft. And why wouldn't I want to mine? But you know, it's cool just seeing what you can do and what you can automate and stuff. So just because I don't like a mess, I'm just going to go around here and pick off these blocks. I don't like just random blocks floating in the air. So yeah, once you've got these these few little things, mining laser, destruction catalyst, and if you can afford it, the Klein Star, the Swift, whatever it's called, I can't remember what it's called, the Swift Wolf's Rendering Gale, then you know you're pretty set. You can just fly around, you can mine pretty easily, and minimal effort, and reap the goodness. So I'm just going to finish taking off these blocks here, like so. I don't know if you noticed before as well, but there's I've actually cleared a massive area for my around my sorting facility and house area, because I'm going to change a few things. I'm running out of space in my sorting facility, because obviously I'm adapting it and making it more advanced. So see, this all used to be like a massive hillside area, and I've cleared all this out, and we're going to go turn it into a new sorting facility, new yeah, I can't think what to say, sort of like production facilities, all sorts basically, just to try and adapt with our needs here on Tekkit. So I've got a couple more things to show you before I call it a day. First of all, I will show you this. Now this is my array of energy collectors. This is how I charge my Klein Star. So you can put it into an energy condenser here, and then it basically charges from the sun's light. Now, so that it works all the time, I've actually placed glowstone dust on the top. That's a nice little thing I got from the one and only Duncan over at Yogscast. So basically when it's night time, they still charge up because they've got a nice light source there, and they're all connected up to an antimatter relay. And then the antimatter relay right in the middle is actually connected to one of these, if I look up here, which is an energy condenser. And basically what that does is the light is turned into EMC, and then as you can see, it plods along And at the minute, I've literally only had this running about hour and a half, maybe 2 hours at the most, and I've already got 46 diamonds. That's how effective it is. They're only Mark 1 collectors. You can take them up to as far as Mark 3. So you know, there is room for adaptation there. But that's pretty cool. Before that, I temporarily, I say temporarily because it wasn't the best of methods. It was lagging my game out terribly. I had a cobblestone generator, which I will show you now, guys. I just need to get my redstone timer, which is here. So what I had here, I'll show you. Back around here. I originally started off with 1 and then I adapted it to 2, but it was kind of taking a while. So what we've basically got is for this is just the design I got was from the automated 2, and it's pure red power, and it's basically you dig out a 3x3 channel, you put a block of water either side, in the middle is a block of lava. So what happens is, as the water flows and the lava falls down, it creates cobblestone. Okay, so then I had here my this isn't connected right, is it? Oh, it is. So basically what I got here is a timer. It runs it was set up at 1.2 seconds. Obviously it defaults to 2. So every 2 seconds it basically tells the block breakers here, there's 4 on each side, to break the block, which then creates a cobblestone, which is then sucked up by pneumatic pipes and sent down here, which goes into my original energy condenser. And this was churning out something like the equivalent of 6 diamonds. Obviously it talked to the quarry as well, but it was churning out the equivalent of about 6 diamonds per hour. It was my output from my energy condenser, 6 diamonds an hour. I said that countless times, sorry guys. Like I said though, I found it was quite laggy, and also now, since I've how can I fly? How did I just fly there when I didn't have any? Oh, I don't know. So yeah, it was quite laggy, but you know, obviously since I've done this, I found it's more effective to obviously get my EMC from there. So that's that. That's pretty cool. Hope you agree with that. So the final thing I'm going to show you here, guys, and then I'm going to have to call it a day because I have to get ready to go to work. Not that I have to go far, of course. Is over here. Now, I don't know if this is working or not. This has been causing me a few issues. Not issues as I'm going to put my jetpack on so I can fly up to see it. I don't know if it's working properly, although they look like they're filling up slightly. Something weird went on last night. I sorted all this out last night and basically took out half of the pipes because I was trying to think of how I can, once I want it, how I can pump all this out. And I took out half the pipes, and then I came back about half an hour later, and all the pipes were back. So I'm not quite sure what's going on there. But basically, up here, I've got a teleporter, which should be on frequency 10. See, this is what I mean. Something weird went on here. I'm not quite sure what. Anywho, so yeah, it's a liquid, fluid or liquid teleporter. So basically, I'll put it to 100 actually. I'll take you over to the other end of it. And what it should do is, rather than running countless amount of pipes from A to Z, it should allow me to basically just teleport from one place to another. Now, while I was out exploring, I'm going to use this because it'll be easier. While I was out exploring, I found as you may see by my label over there, a big volcano. So I'm going to shoot across there now quickly, just to see what's going on. But effectively what should happen is, as the pump gets the volcano, the lava out, it should send it back to my thermal facility over there where I'm storing all my lava. Now what I don't know is whether or not I need, I've put some, I can't remember what they're called now, the teleporter things, they're like world anchors but the teleport tethers, that's what they're called. They're like world anchors but for teleporters. So basically I've got them here, and it should, if it works right, it should keep these active all the time, even when the chunks are unloaded. So okay, now I've basically connected them up to the right frequency. You have to have a sender and you have to have a receiver. So this one is the sender because the camera receiver is false. The other one is the receiver because the camera receiver is true, obviously. So now they're on the same frequency again. I think I may have actually used all the resources here. Let's dig this down. Can't actually see from there. Well, to me, it looks like I may have. Doesn't look like the pump's going down any further anyway. So it looks like I may have taken all the lava out of this point. So I need to find the next point where the lava is flowing from on this massive volcano here. But yeah, so can't really show you this example now, unfortunately. I'll probably just whip out my destruction catalyst and whip the top off this mountain at some point and reset it up. But so yeah, as that comes up, the lava comes through here, sends it to the teleporter, and then it gets sent back to my thermal storage facility over here where I'm storing all the lava. So I don't know. I've not worked out all the bugs on it yet. I don't know if it is working or not. It seems like it's working, but then my tanks don't seem to be filled up, so I'll take a look at that later when I've got a bit more time. Anyway, try and tidy up that geothermal storage facility there because I need to think about pumping it out in the future, because you can't have two tanks next to each other because the wooden pipes won't. Anyway guys, that's pretty much everything I've got to show you for now. Hopefully next time I run the video, whether I do a building video or whether I do just another review, hey look and see what I've done video, hopefully you enjoy the videos I do. Can't remember if I showed you, this was in my last video, I know I should probably check, but obviously you saw my here in my sorting facility I got involved with some computer craft stuff, so I've got a pretty basic system here just to lock out my sorting shed. Obviously you all know what my password is now, so that's not actually really good. I've written another password program that covers up the input as you type it in anyway, so I just need to change it over at some point. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. As always, I'm in Scotters. If you like my video, please give me a like. If you got any tips, got anything you'd like to say, give me a shout in the comments. And if you like the video and want to see more, please subscribe. I'll be here for a long time yet doing videos, which I hope you all guys appreciate and hope you like, basically. Anyway guys, I'm just going to put my armor back in here so it's regenerated, ready for next time. I'm Guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, please like, please comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.